what's up? I'm Dominique, and today I'm going to be doing my makeup using my top 7 favorite products from Sephora. I've been working at Sephora for about 2 years now, and these are the 7 products that I will always recommend to literally everybody because I love them so much and I use them religiously. These are my top 7 favorite products that you could buy at Sephora that I truly think that anyone will love because they are really that good. So if you want to see what products I'm talking about, keep on watching. First, I'm gonna put up my hair because I cannot do my makeup with my hair and my bangs in my face. It's a no for me. This is a bonus product because the TikTok girlies got me on this one. This is a Summer Fridays lip balm, and oh my gosh, this feels like you are literally putting a layer of silk on your lips. It is perfection. Am I Hailey Bieber? Am I giving Hailey Bieber? I feel like I am, okay? So I'm going to talk about these products in the order that I do my makeup. So starting off, I have the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. And baby, she really does her job. You get so much product in this jar, which is amazing. I mean, I've had this for so long and I use it all the time. There's just so much in here. This is a pore filling primer, and I feel like this really helps to minimize the appearance and helps shrink the pores underneath the makeup. Plus, it helps to prep the skin for the makeup application, and it helps make your makeup last all day long. I really do feel like this makes a difference when I wear my makeup, especially when I want it to look good and flawless. And you only need a little bit of this because a little bit goes a really long way, and I just love how it makes my skin feel before I put on my foundation. Like, I feel like it's ready now to apply foundation on top of and not look crusty and cakey and dry, you know? But if you really were to want to try out the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer, I definitely recommend trying out the mini one first because it is way less expensive because Tatcha can have a pretty price point. So if you don't know if you're gonna like it, definitely try out the mini version first. This is gonna last you a really long time. I mean, I've already used this a few times and look at how much of a dent I made in it. There's still so much left. Now I'm going to apply my foundation, and this foundation is my all-time favorite foundation. I'm telling you, this is my #1 favorite foundation of all time. I would recommend this to anyone who came into Sephora. They need to try this. It is the most amazing foundation. It looks beautiful on the skin. This is the Haus Labs foundation, and baby, I'm telling you, I am obsessed if you cannot tell. I wear the shade 200 Light Medium Neutral, and I just feel like this foundation truly looks like skin. It moves with your skin throughout the day. It doesn't sink into your creases, it doesn't break up, it doesn't crust, it just moves with your skin and really adapts to it and becomes one. And I feel like it just looks so natural and beautiful on the skin. Ooh, I am truly in love with this foundation. If you are looking for an amazing foundation for everyday use or something that you can even dress up every once in a while, get the Haus Labs foundation. Go to Sephora, ask for a sample, and I'm telling you, you will really love it. In my opinion, because I love it so much. But of course, everyone's skin is different, so something that works for me may not work for you, and that is totally okay. And something that works for you may not work for me, and that's totally okay too. Everyone has different skin. But this is how I apply my foundation every single time I do my foundation. I start off with a brush, and then I go in with a beauty blender, and I help smooth out all this foundation, and I help press it into my skin. And this is truly a game changer when it comes to my foundation routine. Try this technique out and you will thank me later. Trust me, trust me. Product number 3 is this Huda Beauty Concealer. I feel like this concealer does not get enough love that it should because she is beautiful. I have the shade 2.7N, which is called Coconut Flakes. And I feel like the finish on this concealer is a natural finish. It blends like a literal dream. I'm telling you, it blends out so nicely, and it does not crease. That is my favorite part about this product. It does not crease and it does not go anywhere throughout the day. It will last you all day long, and it's such a thin, lightweight feel to it. I am obsessed. I really don't know why she doesn't get more love because this concealer is so beautiful. I always recommend this concealer to people who are looking for one at Sephora because it's actually reasonably priced and it just will work on so many different people. That is why I love it. I mean, do you see how that just blended out? It is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. It brightens up. It is everything that you need in a concealer. As you can tell, I'm a little bit obsessed with this one. I will die on the hill of loving this concealer. I truly will. Product number 4 is another product that I will literally die on the hill of loving. This is the Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder, and baby, if you know, you know. I feel like the people who love this powder hard, or they don't love it at all. There's no in between. I use this powder to set my whole face. If you hate when you set your face with a powder and it makes you look really crusty, dry, and cakey, baby, this powder does the exact opposite because it helps mattify your foundation still, but also gives it that beautiful, natural kind of glow that your skin just has naturally. And I set my T-zone heavily with it. Then with a fluffier powder brush, I go in and I just kind of dust it all over the remaining parts of my face to help set it. And it's such a thin powder too, so it's not going to add so much of that powdery look to your skin, which is why I also am obsessed with it. I can't even tell you how many jars I've gone through of this because I love it so much. And I actually need to order another one because this is almost empty. This is also at a pretty high price point for a powder, I will say. So Sephora does have a mini size of this if you wanted to try that out as well before committing to the big size. Definitely take advantage of Sephora's mini section because they have some good products over there like this one and the Tatcha Silk Canvas. So if you want to make a purchase, do mini Hourglass and mini Tatcha and try it out, and your makeup is literally going to be fire and you can thank me later. So product number 5 is actually an eyeshadow palette, and this is the Master Matte's eyeshadow palette by Makeup by Mario, and this is just an iconic staple eyeshadow palette that I think that everyone could honestly love and use daily. I mean, look at this palette. It has every single natural eyeshadow that you could ever need, and the formula is just chef's kiss. It is amazing. They are so easy to work with. I use it all the time. You can see I love this shade right here. Really the top row I really use all the time for my natural looks, and then of course you can smoke them up with any of these shades down here. It is so versatile. I love it. There's no shimmers in here, so they're all matte finishes, which is pretty unique because an all matte eyeshadow palette is kind of hard to find that looks this good. So I'm just gonna do a little eyeshadow look using the palette. I'm using this shade right here to start off, and I'm just gonna fluff it in my crease and just put it all over the place and blend it out. I will do a more in-depth eyeshadow tutorial coming soon, talking about how to actually like blend your eyeshadow and achieve the blended look. So stay tuned for that, and make sure to subscribe if you want to see that video because it is coming soon. I'm telling you, I'm promising you, and you can come after me if it doesn't happen because it's gonna happen and you won't have to do that. Next, I'm taking this shade right here and I am just putting it in the crease and also blending it out while keeping it in more of a circular shape around the shape of my actual eyeball. You know what I mean? Blending takes time, so don't be afraid to just sit here and blend for a little bit because it really does help the longer you blend it out. The other day when I was working at Sephora, I helped the most wholesome woman in my entire life. So I'm doing her shade match and I'm just talking to her like I do all my clients, and she's telling me about her day and that she had really bad anxiety today. And so she knew that she wanted to go to the mall, but her anxiety was telling her that she couldn't go to the mall. So she actually left her errands to go home to not come back and go to the mall, if that makes sense. So she goes home, and when she's at home, she's like, you know what? No, I'm gonna go to the mall today and I'm just gonna suck it up and I'm gonna go. And as she's telling me this, I'm like, good for you. You don't understand how hard that is to do. I relate to her on so many levels. I have such bad social anxiety that really limits what I do, and it will make me have a panic attack before any event. So I definitely felt that, and I just kept saying, you are doing a good job. And she's like, thank you. I brought my dog with me to help me feel better, and I'm glad that I came in today. And I'm like, oh my god, See, like this is the reason why I love working at Sephora. I get to talk to these beautiful people through makeup. Makeup is the one thing that brought me to this beautiful woman. I was just so happy, and you could tell that she needed to hear that today. Oh my God. If I could give her a hug right now, I would give her the biggest hug because she deserves it. So if you are out there and you struggle with anxiety and it's hard for you to do everyday tasks like go to the mall, you are not alone, and you too can get through this. Now I'm taking this shade right here and I am packing it on the outer corner and the inner corner while leaving the center of my eyelid blank, and I'm packing up the pigment on this pretty heavily so then when I blend it out I don't lose that nice pigmentation that I got going on right there. We are almost done with the makeup look, so now it's time to move on to product number 6. And 6 is my favorite number, so you know this is going to be a good one. Patrick Ta Blush Duos. Need I say more? It's a cream blush and a powder blush all in one little compact, and this shade just speaks to my soul. I am obsessed with this shade. I use it all the time. It looks a little intimidating because it's hot baby pink, but also it goes on so soft, and I think that this could look so good on so many different skin tones. Patrick Ta has a lot more shades than just this one, so if you love this idea of the powder and the cream, go look at the other shades because they're beautiful as well. And honestly, a little bit goes a long way with this, so you don't have to use a lot. So I'm just gonna stamp this onto my face and I'm gonna bring it up towards my temple to help blend it up and lift my face as well. I'm kind of stamping it on, which is helping to blend it out as I apply it to my face. You do not want to swoop or else you're going to get some harsh edges. And always tap off the extra product just so you're not going to get too much product on. It's better to be safe than sorry. Okay, but do you see how this color is just so beautiful? It's not as intense as you would expect for it looking like this, and I find myself using this a lot, honestly. Now, if you ever feel like you put on too much blush, which I don't think there's such thing as too much blush, take a powder brush with nothing on it and just go ahead and blend away the edges right here, and that is going to help you blend out your blush and make it not look as intense. I am feeling so snatched right now. I mean, I'm using my favorite products to create this look, so I better look snatched. And finally, the last product is product number 7, and this might seem a little silly that it's in my top 7 favorite products from Sephora, but I love these so much. These are the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip liners, and I think they are perfection. Truly, I mean, they stay on, they don't budge, they last all day. They're a pencil so they don't break and they don't fall out, and you can just resharpen them whenever you feel like. And the color selection is literally to die for. I even have more than this. I just have some in my purse and I need to take them out, but I use these religiously, okay? And this is my favorite one right here in the shade Deep Taupe. Right now, to me, I feel like I look crazy without a lip. To me, my look does not come together until I put on a lip, so that's why I'm including it, because to me, this is a very important step and I really love a lip liner. I would pick a lip liner over a lipstick any day. They're so creamy, it goes on so easily. And the pigment is there, which I love, and they're not dry. I'm obsessed with nude lips, honestly. I wear them more than anything. And nude lips that range a little bit more to the brown side of things. I love a good brown lip. And I do overline my lips just a little bit because why not, right? Why the heck not? Just why not? Your girl over here do be wanting some lip fillers one day, so, you know, I'm just hyping myself up until that moment comes. And here is the lip liner all on. I'm obsessed. I mean, it just gave my lips that fullness that I need, and now I feel like my look is coming together. So I'm gonna finish off the lip combo, and I guess we'll be done with the look, right? And that is it for today's video. I had so much fun sitting down here and talking about my favorite makeup products with you. There is nothing that makes me happier than that. I mean, I had so much fun. I could do this every single day for the rest of my life if I could, because I love it that much, and it fills me with joy, okay? It really does. So thank you so much for watching. You are a literal real one. And before you go, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss out when I post a new video. And trust me, I am so excited to film the next video. You won't want to miss it. So make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button because it really helps me out. Same with the like, and make sure to comment what your favorite product product was that I shared with you today, and if you've tried any, because I would love to know. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.